Morning from a nice sunny Doncaster. So today I'm on transfer to Doncaster, which is quite far away really. It's about 40 miles away from Leeds. So anyway, today what we're doing a massive big warehouse. But yeah, it's just truck after truck after truck. They're doing it from three plants, doing it from Wath, doing it from Canclo, which is in Rotherham, and then they're doing it from Doncaster. So it should be a good day really. Working out that plan really. So it's alright. Cheers. So basically we're going to that building just on the right, as you can see, like checking. Check the top on it. So we're going to be down here now anyway. Around the other side now. Inside the building now. Side you was, mate, yeah. Just backed on now onto the steel fibres. Just turn the revs up now. Put it in with these yellow things there. Yeah, so if you look at the top, that's where the steel fibres are going in. And these two fellas here, they're the ones who are putting the steel fibres in. How we're back on there, back down the side of that strip there, and then the guy will tell us when to stop. Yeah, they'll be putting the about fibres in at the back there, and be coming up these back tubes here. I think what they do, they blow it in, goes into the back of your vehicle. Out a bit there. This guy was washing out. Your laser. Maybe really on the concrete down. As you can see. So with the guy in the wagon, which is Simon. Sipping on his Connie there. You get your rollers, they keep the ground flat. Just do it like in squares. So we go there. Yeah. That's it done now. So as you can see, we're just washing off here. So just backing up onto the washing out bay. Get out, do my 3 shoots, do my quick sprinkle, and then take each one off, put it back in its place, run her down and lock her up, give it a quick squirt, and jobs are good. So as we're driving out here, you can see all the vehicles all parked up, getting the metal fibres put in. So like I said, it's just vehicle after vehicle. And it takes quite a long time to get out of this warehouse. It takes about 4 minutes just to drive right across. It's massive. It's an absolute huge warehouse. Yeah, this is the there's probably about 2 more loads after me. It's now 10 to 5. I'm still sort of like at the edge of Doncaster. I've got about 35-40 minute drive back to Leeds, and I've got to wash out. And then back home, so should hopefully get in the house for about 7:30-7-ish. So like I say, today I've been I'm on transfer today. So they usually put you on transfer when there's not enough work up at, at your own depot or your own base or whatever. So there's 2 trucks there, there's enough work for them. So anyway, so you take it in turns. There you go. So I'm just waiting for these boys now to put the start stopper on. Once we've done that, then pour the concrete in, and then run off. We're gone. That's us finished here now. So these are like loading bays in front. So I'll turn this corner here. Look at the size of that. It's all been concreted. So that's like your middle section, something like that. And then you've got your other bays and that. Huge warehouse. All them bays are all going to get done tomorrow. Try to drive over this. It's a nightmare. Ugh. So you just have to stick it into manual, which can hear the difference in the gear change. Then I'll put it back into automatic. Things like that. There you go. And then coming out of the building now. So that's how long it took us to drive through. And then obviously we've got okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll tune into my concrete life next week. So it's just time to lock up. So I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. So if you enjoyed my concrete life, please subscribe, like, share and comment. It's all free. And I'll see you next week. Thank you very much.